Guys, you don't have a whole lot of time in the mornings. You want a delicious, awesome breakfast sandwich? Well, my friends, this breakfast sandwich is for you. We're using some thick cut Curtis brand bologna. Bologna, yep. I'm not filling you full of bologna here, y'all. I am for real. It ain't no count unless you don't have that on it, okay? Gonna get some butter down onto our griddle and gotta get a spatula. Melt that butter. We're gonna fry this bologna in some beautiful butter. I can't think of anything better else. If I was to be fried ever, I'd want to be fried in butter. Get that bologna down. We have 4 beautiful slices of, this is actually potato rolls. I think it's like the brand is that. Brand is this. Who thought it was good? Pepperidge Farmhouse potato rolls, bread. Why not? Why not? We got our bread down. This is gonna be easy. I'm talking like 5 minutes lickety split, y'all. We've got to get some more butter down because we want some eggs for our bologna. Luscious egg, little drippy egg, that egg gravy. Yes, my friends, yes. 2 of these jewels right here. Oh, right here. Oh man, I think I broke it. No, I didn't. Put this bad boy here. Woo, doggy. And all right, what do we always talk about? Gotta salt, pepper them eggs. Just like your maters, just like your taters. Just season them up, y'all. A little salt, a little bit of pepper, okay? Now, I always say this little part around the egg, just make sure you break it up. Your eggs will cook a lot better, a lot easier. You won't have to cook them as long, okay? Now, what I'll probably end up doing, I probably won't leave it sunny side up. I'll probably just flip it. Bologna, the bologna's already cooked. You can eat the bologna straight out of the package if you want. I prefer to have a little bit of crust on it. Now let's see what our bread is doing. Ooh, hello, pretty girl. Hello, okay. Well, we're about to have an awesome breakfast sandwich. And I mean, we're literally what, 3 minutes in, Jacob?
4.
More?
4.
4? 4 minutes? Well, I've been talking a little bit, you know, I've been talking about the good old days. This egg, we're gonna flip them. Just gently. This thing's gonna be done. Tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna build this right onto our top. Say it with me. Duke's mayonnaise, state law. Hussey said it. Okay. Mayonnaise. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Got a little bit of a, whoo. Come on now. Oh, Jacob, you almost made me forget. Cheese. Gotta have cheese. Put some cheese on the piece of bologna right there. If you want to do some cheddar cheese, do you cheddar cheese, but I'm going with the best, and that is American cheese. Egg's done. Put that egg right on top of that piece of cheese and that piece of bologna. Tell you what, I'm gonna try to, there we go. I mean, we might have company coming over. What's that girl's name? Jacob?
Which one?
The one talking trash?
Taylor.
Taylor Anderson. You know who you are. Sitting back, talking trash. Can't remember what she was doing, but whatever. There we go. Now, this is optional too. I like a little mustard on my bologna. A little mustard. I'm just gonna do it on one, just a little bit right there. Just one side. Just one side. Guys, I think we're done. Take your piece of bologna and your egg. Put that right there. Take your other piece of bologna. Put that, oh, gotta put it on the mustard side, right there. Woohoo! See here, I got some tomatoes that I was wanting to put on there too, Jacob. Let's take these over to the cutting board, what do you say? Let's take them over here. Come on over here, right there, right there. Ooh, boys. Ooh. Okay. Telling y'all, if you didn't have this dang video camera in front of you, I'm telling you, you can have this done in 5 minutes or less, I think. Depending on how fast you are. Little tomato. What do we do? Yep, little salt, a little pepper. If you don't want this tomato, it's fine. I like tomatoes on my breakfast sandwiches. That, my friends, is beautiful bologna. Got a little hint of spice to it. Breakfast sandwich. Boy, I can't wait to see that egg gravy come out. You ready for it? Ready for it, Jacob?
Yeah.
Should I go sideways?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Sheesh. Hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Jacob, watch this. Egg gravy. Egg gravy. Come on now. Boy, it looks good right there. I don't know if they can see me very well. Let's give us a try. Right meow. Oh man. It's awesome. I mean, a little bit of mustard. I like the mustard on bologna. Sometimes, breakfast, I do. I like what that tomato does. It just gives it a little bit of freshness. Duke's mayonnaise always wins. Little drippy egg, little egg gravy. Y'all, give us a try tonight. Bye.